These are the instructions for assembling the heel guide compression stocking aid. The heel guide comes with 4 components: the cone, the base, a hardware package, and the handles. To begin assembling it, you open up the hardware package. We have our instruction sheet. And then the first thing we're going to do is take the cone and slide it into the base. There are slots in the cone that need to match up with the holes in the base. And then once you do that, you're ready to assemble them with the hardware. The hardware package contains screws that have 2 halves, a hollow half and a threaded half. You take the hollow half of the fastener and you put it through the slot in the cone and then through the hole in the base. And then you take the threaded fastener and you just put it inside of the hollow end. And then you squeeze together. And then you repeat on the other side. The hollow end goes through the top. Then you take the threaded end and you put it into the hollow end, and you squeeze. There's no need to use a screwdriver. Squeezing is going to fasten them together. Next, you take one handle and you make sure the solid end here slides into the base. Again, you're going to have slots in the handle that match up with holes in the base. You take the hollow end, you put it through the top, then you take the threaded end and again insert it into the hollow end of the fastener and you squeeze. And you repeat that. Hollow end through the top, threaded end into the bottom, and squeeze. And finally you have the last handle. Again, slide that into the base, hollow end through the top, threaded end to the bottom, and squeeze. And then your last one is exactly the same. Hollow end through the top, threaded end into the bottom,